All right, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about Rune Thorchain today. See if we can drop a updated price prediction for this cryptocurrency because the market since our last video has completely collapsed. I mean, the day after we did our price prediction, the market in Rune hit our ultimate TP price right there around $2.06, 31, almost 32% move in one day. That's how fast cryptocurrencies can move. That's how fast we have to be prepared for price to either go in our favor or go against us. So today's your first time seeing my videos and my content. As always, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'm here to give you all, if you guys want to be a part of the team, I'm here to make sure that we're positioned to capitalize on price movement, at least predict. Let's try to forecast where price in the cryptocurrency space is going to go. That's what I do. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, if you guys want to learn more, I got a plethora of videos on this platform doing just that. So hopefully the things that I speak, the things that I show you can give you all a grasp and understanding that this game does not have to be difficult. So let's go ahead and talk about it right now in Rune. So make sure you guys do that before you go. Now we need to clean up this chart. We have listed on our chart areas of pockets. We have sell pockets up here at the top, buy pockets at the bottom. These are like magnets. Prices like to go to pockets, okay? And when prices break through pockets, then that simply tells us that either the sellers weren't there in that pocket or the buyers, they were eliminated within these pockets. So just like we see this pocket right here, the sellers were able to knock the buyers out the box. So let's get rid of it. We don't need it. Then you can see right here on this very small sliver of a pocket of buying, look at how many days the market held that pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. The market was buying. 6 days. So in 6 days, you would suspect, hey, price in Rune should continue to go up. Like we're looking for a pop. But instead, the sellers wore down the buyers in that pocket to where the next day, price broke through the pocket. It knocked all the buyers out the pocket. So let's get rid of it. We don't need it. Look at this next pocket. You tell me. This small pocket right here, instead of holding as support, price broke through the pocket and now it is acting as resistance. So now this is where sellers are staging a protest. This is where they are letting people know, look, every time you guys come up here in this pocket, I'm going to sell it. We've seen the market in Rune hit this pocket how many times now? And the buyers continually getting rejected tells you that who is controlling the price are the sellers. The sellers are more motivated. They want the market when they want price to go to $1.50 so that they can sell. They want price to go to $1.70 so that they can sell. And there's more sell orders sitting in that pocket than there are people willing to buy. That's the only reason why price is not breaking up right now. Okay. So now let's go ahead and create another sell pocket. Because these will be areas that we will look for if market and Rune was to go up. These will be our targets. We will be targeting these areas to take profit. Okay. So now let me zoom out a little bit more because you guys can see it's been a long time since we've seen price in Rune trade around $1.33. Here it is, 2023. We're looking at historical information since 2023 in Rune. And that's how long it's been since we've seen a market trade here. So let me go ahead and put this pocket here. I just want to see where it is in relation to the current time. And then let's go all the way back. So we'll have to move this market. Like the next pocket of buying in Rune is like right here. Okay. It's like right there. Wow. Where's that at? Like $1.11, $1.10 to $1.14. And here's the other pocket right here. That's a big pocket there. And let's see what this one is. All right, so let's push it back to the current date. And let's see what we're working with. Okay, so we could get rid of this buy pocket here. And these are the other ones that are more important. Okay, so if we're expecting price in Rune to go down, these would be the targets down here. Okay, these three pockets of buying. Currently, we can see buyers holding this current pocket though, which is cool. So if we're still looking for price to go lower, then obviously our first target would be at this pocket, around $1.10 to $1.15. It's not much, but we recognize what has occurred historically, that's a chance that we can still see price in Rune hold that area for support. Okay, because currently on the daily, right here is where I'm still seeing indication that sellers control the price, this bar and yesterday's price bar. Take a look at this on the 2. Take a look at Rune on the 3. Here it is on the 4. Rune on the 5 weekly chart. Okay, so right here on the weekly, let me speak to you all about this. This volume bar right here on this weekly price bar is pretty deep. I mean, it's pretty heavy, and the spread of the bar is small. So that tells us that yes, buyers are in there buying. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Now this is where you need to be careful and trying to give yourself a time horizon on when you expect things to happen. So is it possible that we can see price in Rune go up? Yes, but I will only say from a daily perspective. From this weekly chart, this is on the 2 weeks, the market is not bullish. These 2 weekly price bars is telling me that this 2 weekly price bar, this 2 weekly price bar, and then this one is telling me that longer term, there's still increased chances that price in Rune can go down. The only way that we would switch from that thinking is if we continually see price in Rune hold this pocket of buying, which is right here. If we continually see the market bounce off this pocket, then we wouldn't expect the market to go down long term. The dynamics is transitioning over from one of weakness to one of buying. Here it is on the 3. Look at all that volume that came in Rune. Like, we haven't seen this much volume in Rune since forever. This is the first time on this Binance exchange that we've seen this much activity, volume being traded on the 3 weekly time frame. Look at all that volume. That is crazy. Look at that volume. So something is going on. Are people fearful that they're trying to sell Rune, or are they more bullish as another buying opportunity? Because we're literally trading towards the all-time lows on this exchange. We're close to that price now. Here is Rune on the 5 weekly chart. Okay, so even from this perspective, I cannot be bullish yet. I can't. Outside of us seeing the buy pockets, outside of us seeing that we're hitting all-time lows, this 5 weekly price bar, man, is definitely bearish. We would have to see some monumental movement to the upside for us to change that out. Here it is on the monthly chart. So back on the daily, we are going to play a move to the downside in Rune, but we're not going to be too drastic in our prediction. Like I told you, we have chances that the market can hold this pocket of buying right there. So at the high of that pocket is 14.5% at $1.13. The next area is at $1.10 at 17.05%. Okay, let me break on the 3/3. I want to see that bar right here. All right, so then breaks on the 1 hour. All right, so I'm gonna make that a sell pocket, and we're gonna push our stop loss up there. are going to do our next target in Rune down here at the next middle point buy pockets, which is around 32, almost 33%, around 90 cents, a dollar. Like, people don't expect that to happen. But just in the beginning of February, we saw price in Rune hit a low of 95 cents. So it's definitely doable for us to try to top that $1.95 area again. All right, so that's the targets right there for the moment. The only way I would have to change this price prediction is if we see price hold the pocket. If buyers hold that pocket, then yeah, we might just need to take the bag and look for price to go up. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.